Let's go!
Hey guys, Sam here coming at you with a new India episode, this time from Amritsar in Punjab. In today's video, you're in for a real treat because we'll be going on a North Indian breakfast street food tour, sampling some delicious Punjabi dishes. We had Deepak from Amritsar Walking Tours to guide us to some of the best local eateries, and this was a really fun introduction to the city. In this video, we'll be trying some delicious Punjabi food, including Kulcha, a flatbread brushed with ghee and eaten with chickpea curry known as chole. Paneer Bhurji, a scrambled cheese cooked with onions, tomatoes, spices, and served with bread. And lastly, a delicious yogurt-based drink, but this one was extra special because it was served with churned cream and butter. So let's kick off this tasty North Indian breakfast food tour. Good morning guys. Greetings from Amritsar, Punjab. This is a new destination for us and we're so excited because we're going to be trying Punjabi breakfast food items for the very first time. And I've got my good friend Deepak who's going to be giving us a food tour. I'm so excited. What are we going to be trying today?
Jason, we will start over there with the Amritsari breakfast. And first of all, I would like to take you to the very famous shop of Amritsar, which is serving from last 65 years. I'm talking about Amritsari Kulcha, which is a traditionally breakfast of Amritsar.
Oh, wonderful. We brought our appetites. Let's go on and try some food.
Yes.
So that's the ghee being put on top of it.
Yes. This is the
Clarified butter, yeah.
And Indian people, especially the Punjabi people, love to eat it all the time.
Okay.
So now this kulcha is ready to eat. You can see the color has been changed from white to brown. And the last, but not the last thing which I'm going to do. This
wonderful.
It's ready to eat.
That's the sound of being ready to eat.
Yes. So come with me. I'll just show you how the kulcha is being prepared. Just come with me.
Oh wow, look at that. So this is dough with all the spices and cheeses and herbs. Looks incredible. Oh, that's how it's mixed. Wow. No. Oh wow, look at him roll it up. So he rolls it, they roll it into balls like this.
So David, they serve two different kinds of
Kulcha. So this is where the flatbread, the kulcha, is cooked right in the tandoor oven. Cooked right on the side of the wall.
Now you can see the color has been changed. It means it's ready to eat. Masala is different from one shop to another shop, which is making the kulcha more delicious.
Oh wow. And so it has its own unique taste depending on where you go.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. And the kulcha is always served with the chickpeas, which we call chole.
Chole. I'm so excited because I'm going to be trying kulcha for the very first time. It's a Punjab flatbread. It looks absolutely wonderful. I've been smelling it for a long time. So Deepak, can you tell us a little bit about this dish?
Yes, Amritsari kulcha, my friend, it is a traditionally breakfast of Amritsar. It doesn't matter what time of the day, the people is just crazy about it. They love it for the breakfast, for the brunch, even for the lunch also.
That sounds wonderful. I remember you telling me off camera that your friends will invite you and you'll just stop what you're doing and go out and grab it.
They don't mind. You know, if I already have my breakfast and my friend asks me, Deepak, come with me and have some kulcha, I will not think even for a minute for the same. I just make it this deal and I will love to have a Amritsari kulcha.
That's wonderful. Okay, so the one I particularly ordered is a spicy variation of it.
Yes, this is a spicy one which I have been ordered for you.
Oh,
and
thank you.
Another, and you can see the chickpea, which we call chole.
Oh, the chole, yes.
And the third one is the sauce, which we call chutney.
Is this to help you kind of cool down while you're eating it? Should I just break it off?
Firstly, you just make some tamarind sauce inside this chickpea.
Okay, so I just take it like this and put it right inside. Wonderful. Beautiful. And just mix it around.
Just mix it, yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Wow. So take a little bit.
Yeah.
And so what are some of the ingredients that we can find inside of here?
There are very different kind of ingredients. Even you just make it like this, you can see.
Oh wow, take a look at that.
I just asked for the owners. He told me it's about 15 to 20 different kind of ingredients which he mixes.
Oh
now,
wow.
So now you have already made white. Now mix some chickpeas inside it. Yep.
Put it just like this?
Yep. It's ready to eat now.
Oh, it feels so crispy.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, that's good.
Yeah.
So many flavors, spice. I love the crunch, the texture of it.
Yes. So the good sign of kulcha is it is always crunchy from outside, crispy from outside, and very soft from inside.
That's exactly how it is.
Yeah.
Exactly how it is. And I remember you telling me that each store has its own different masala, its own different ingredients. So when you go around and you go from shop to shop, it's a completely different eating experience.
It's a totally different. It's just about the secret masala which is coming from one generation to this generation. As I told you, this shop is running from last 65 years. So
65 years is
65
incredible.
years.
Oh
and their third generation is now in the business, but the taste is the same.
Wow, that is special. That is special. And you could tell that it's very popular from the moment we got here until right now. It's been absolutely packed here.
So sometimes if you've been here Saturday or Sunday on the weekend, you might be wait outside for 1 hour or half an hour.
But you know, it's worth it for good food. It's worth the wait. That is so good. Oh my goodness. Definitely if you come to Amritsar, have to have this for breakfast. And you're saying that this dish can be served in other cities, but it's always called Amritsar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. If you are in a Delhi or any other city of India, if you order the kulcha, it means Amritsari kulcha always.
Of course. So this is the standard.
Yes.
Oh wow.
And it is just the water of Amritsar, my dear friend, which make it more beautiful, more taste.
Oh wow. That is
just
incredible.
because of the water of Amritsar. If you ask any guy, any shopkeeper who is making in this business, if you ask him what is the specialty which make this food more delicious, his answer in one line: the water of Amritsar, sir, which make this kulcha more tasteful.
Wow, that is incredible.
Oh, I'm just loving this Amritsari kulcha. It's so good. It's spicy, lots of herbs, crunchy outside, crispy, soft in the middle. Get some of these chickpeas on top. Oh, right there. Oh, with tamarind chutney. And here we go.
The chutney and the chickpeas just add so much flavor to it. It's just such a great combination.
I love the crunch. And the flavors are definitely enhanced. Then we get with the green chilies. It's a little hot. Not too much, but it's perfect. Can we get like 4 more? No, I'm joking.
So after having Amritsari kulcha, the traditional breakfast, I would like to take you the second most favorable dish, which is called Paneer Bhurji. Paneer Bhurji. It's a kind of Indian cheese actually. And all the shops where I'm taking you, it is located in a walled city, which is known as Old Amritsar. Where you are staying, it is located in a new Amritsar. But the kulcha shop, the Paneer Bhurji wala, it's all inside the walled city, inside the 12 gates of Amritsar.
So my friend Deepak, the first dish was absolutely delicious, and now we're moving on to round 2.
We have reached Tara Chand Special Paneer Bhurji. It's a kind of cheese actually, Indian cheese, which is served with the bread. And it is one of the items which the Amritsari people in their breakfast.
Oh wow, I'm so excited. I've never tried it before. Let's go do it. Oh, the salt. Oh wow, you can see the butter sizzling.
But you never tell me what is inside the secret masala.
That's what makes it secret.
Yeah, this is
if we
secret
told
masala,
you, then it wouldn't be secret.
Which makes this more beautiful.
Wow. The guys are using a secret masala, and that's what really makes the flavor of this dish unique at this particular restaurant. Wow, it's here. It was amazing just watching the preparation. So many different ingredients, the skill of the chef while preparing it. Can you explain a little bit about what's inside?
Yeah, this is, as we told you, this is a Paneer Bhurji. Paneer means a cheese, and Bhurji is a kind of scrambled cheese.
Okay.
It's a mixture of butter. The quantity of butter is so much high, which makes this dish very high. The onion, the tomato, and some secret masala. I told you.
Yes, some secrets are not meant to be shared.
Yes, and it's served with the onion, and there are two different kind of sauces over here. The chutney, which we call it chutney in Punjabi. The one is a mint chutney mint sauce. The second one is a tamarind sauce.
So mint and tamarind. So you alternate between the two flavors.
Yes, and it's always served with the 2 slices of bread.
Oh, wonderful. I'm going in for my first bite, so I'm mixing a bit of the tamarind and the mint chutney together. Oh, it looks so good. It has the consistency, a little bit of a scrambled egg. Going for the bite. Oh, my goodness. The flavors, the cheese, the freshness of the vegetables. I can tell that's a very satisfying, high-calorie dish.
Yes, it is.
Something to sustain you.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
And this is a very heavy dish, you know?
Oh, yes, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
And there is a very funny quote about the Amritsari people.
Oh, yeah?
If you are in Amritsar, if you visit Amritsar, just check your weight.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? And if you get back to your place with the same weight, it means your visit to Amritsar is incomplete. So,
to me, that means the food is wonderful.
yes,
That's what it means.
It's always wonderful. People come over here for 2 things in Amritsar. One, of course, the Golden Temple. The second one is the food of Amritsar.
Oh my gosh. This is just so good. It's just so cheesy. The paneer and that masala, all the different spices. Yeah, I would die to know what that masala secret recipe is, but I know we're never gonna find out. What an amazing breakfast food tour so far. Both dishes have just been wonderful, and I can't wait to see what's next.
Yeah, it's just, you know, the thing is, it's paneer, man. Paneer is so amazing. Yeah, you know, the first time I had paneer, I was in Delhi. And after that, every time I could, I ate some more paneer. Oh, I love this. This dish is the ultimate paneer
The quality
dish.
of paneer which they use, it's amazing.
Spice of flavor.
Oh, I'm in love with it. And what I like is putting some of the onion. Look at this. Oh, let's get some of that bread.
I mean, what a great start to the day, huh? We've had two back-to-back winners in terms of breakfast.
And the most amazing thing is that our friend Deepak is telling us that no one has covered these places. We're the only guys covering these places.
Deepak, you're a legend.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
So we are going now to the Amritsari Lassi, to one of the very famous shop of Amritsari Lassi, Gyan Lassi Wala, a shop which is running from last more than 60 years. So Amritsari Lassi is a kind of a drink which is a very favorite drink of local Amritsari people, and whosoever is coming to Amritsar, they love a drink all the time. It's a kind of national drink. If we say it's a national drink, it is not wrong to say that. And the 2 different things which make Amritsari Lassi more special. The first thing is the size of the glass which they will offer you. It's amazing. It's so very big. And the quality of the butter, the malai, the cream, it's amazing. So get ready with me for the Amritsari Lassi. So you can see the size of the glass. It's a very big. And these kind of glasses were used in the past by the villagers to drink the lassi all the time.
Okay, I'm getting it. Top of the lassi.
Butter is always
Butter on top of the lassi.
always good. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Amazing.
Oh wow, look at all that butter. I'm so excited to try this traditional lassi. This shop has been open since, I can see across the street, 1927. What an institution.
And it's a very funny part about the Amritsari lassi. If your friends come to your home and you are not in a good mood to making the dinner for them, just take them to the lassi shop and order one glass of lassi. They will fill with the lassi and you don't need to cook the food.
Hey, that's the best idea ever. Oh my gosh, look how frothy it looks. So I'm taking a bite without the butter chunks, but I will try that too. Oh my goodness. Oh, such a richness.
It is.
It's so thick. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. It's a bit sour, but not too sour. It's just like there's all of these different subtle flavors coming together to make it so smooth. It's wonderful. I'm gonna try it with a bit of the butter on top. You can see these big chunks of butter. It looks incredible.
And the quality of product which they use is totally, the rich.
Yeah, second to none.
Yes.
It's incredible.
Because
Wow.
they have their own cows, buffalo,
Oh.
so they use their own milk.
Oh, that's incredible. So everything is natural and fresh, and
Yes.
they control the quality. Oh my gosh, big chunk of butter. Wow. That's next level richness. That's so good. I think it's strategic that we have us as a third choice for our breakfast because we've been having some spicy and savory options, and this is a nice way to cool down.
I mean, without the lassi, the breakfast is incomplete. So you have to complete your breakfast if you're having this lassi.
There you go. Without the lassi, you haven't had a real breakfast. Alright guys, what an amazing breakfast tour here in Amritsar. That was simply incredible. And we have Deepak to thank for that. Thank you very much, my friends.
You're most welcome.
Can you please tell me a bit about your YouTube channel? You just started one.
Yes, I'm running my YouTube channel on the name of Amritsar Walking Tours, about the promotion of the different varieties of food, the culture of my city. So every time I'm making the video of the famous of Amritsari food to my channel, Amritsar Walking Tours.
That's awesome. So you have to subscribe to his channel, subscribe to our channel, Samuel and Audrey, and in the back, David, how's that lassi?
Oh, I can drink it all day. I'm almost done. I have lunch in an hour.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to David's channel either. David's been here. We will see you soon with more food and travel videos from Amritsar. Bye for now.